Hey, Funtastic family. Welcome back to another week of grocery shopping with me. And if you're new here, I am so happy you're joining us today. We're at Compare Foods to do a quick grocery run. But you already know me. We're not just shopping, we're going to chit chat a little, catch up, and enjoy the journey together. So come along with me and let's see what I find today. You know, one thing I've been thinking about lately is how quickly kids grow up. It feels like yesterday my boys were so much smaller, and now they're developing their own interests, personalities, and opinions. Sometimes I find myself looking through old pictures and wondering where the time went. People always tell you to enjoy every stage because it goes by fast, and they're right. Now, for those of you with kids, or if you have nieces or nephews, what's one thing you miss about when they were younger? And if they're still little, what's your favorite age so far? So, now for our next topic, things we said we'd never do. I know we have a lot, but have you ever said, I'll never do that, and then found yourself doing exactly that? I think parenting has humbled me in so many ways. Like before I had kids, I had all these amazing ideas about how things would go. Trust me, I was fooling myself. Then life happened, and I realized sometimes you have to do what works for your family. The older I get, the less I judge people because you never really know what someone else is dealing with. What's something you said you'd never do that you ended up doing anyway? Lately, I've been trying to appreciate the little things more. We spend so much time chasing the next goal, the next achievement, or the next thing on our to do list that we sometimes forget to enjoy where we are right now. A quiet morning, a good conversation, a laugh with family, even something as simple as walking through the grocery store and checking things off your list. God has blessed us in so many ways, and sometimes the biggest blessings are the ones we overlook because they seem ordinary. So let me ask you this: what's one thing you're grateful for today? It can be something big or something small. For our next topic, There's this pressure that shows up in life sometimes, the feeling that you are supposed to have everything figured out by now. Career, money, goals, direction. Like, there is a timeline you are supposed to be keeping up with. And when you feel behind, it can make you, question yourself. But I am learning that most people are figuring things out as they go, even the ones who look like they have it all together. Life is not as linear as we think it is. It is more like trial and learning and adjusting along the way. And honestly, some of the best growth comes from not having it all figured out. Because when you do not have all the answers, you stay open, you learn, you adapt. So instead of asking myself if I am where I am supposed to be, I am trying to focus more on whether I am growing. Because growth is the real direction that matters. Not perfection, not comparison, just growth. Have you ever felt that pressure to have everything in life figured out already? Drop that in the comment section. Well, that's it for today's grocery run. I want to thank you so much for hanging out with me while I picked up a few things. If you have made it this far, go ahead and drop a yellow heart. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to come on over and join the Funtastic family. As always, continue to be the amazing person you are, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.